guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can easily use YouTube on Samsung TV. So let's start here. Now what you want to do is just easily go to top right and click source when you're going to turn on the Samsung TV. And right here you want to simply go to applications, and then you would find like all applications here. But if you don't have it, you will probably have like already installed YouTube here. So I would go back to YouTube, back to source, move right here, and then you're gonna have YouTube here. If you don't have it, you have to click on applications and just easily download it, all right? So now I will click YouTube. Who's watching? I'll simply have add account or use sign out. So you can simply add account to your YouTube channel, to your YouTube. I would definitely recommend to do that. If you don't have an account, use the use sign out. And now let's just wait until we're gonna be in. And here we are. So here we gotta like have an ad, because what will happen is video will play after the ad because I was playing a video. So I will simply click here, and this is the video that we have. Mamma mia. Okay. So another ad I'm going to show you. So this is how we're playing right now a video. And we're gonna return. So right now, when you're gonna enter a YouTube on Samsung TV, you're gonna have on the left side, when you're gonna have like left arrow, the search button, then also the home that you can easily like have recommended stuff like you have on computer or mobile. Then you're gonna have the gaming here, where you would have gaming videos, movies and shows that you can watch, music that you can listen to, and then you're gonna have a subscription. So if you're gonna log in with your account on YouTube with Samsung TV, you would have subscriptions right here, and then you have library like liked videos, etc. And then you're gonna have news and sport here. And that's pretty much it. So in the moment, I can go simply to search, and let's say you want to search for a trailer, right? So I can come here and write trailer. See, and then we're gonna have ideas straight away. Secret Invasion, The Midnight Club. And you're gonna have like plenty of ideas what you can watch here. So now when you get it, like let's say the Marvel Studios, you're gonna have always on the bottom, you're gonna have ideas that you can watch. On the left side, you're gonna have ideas that you can watch. So on the bottom, I'm going to choose the Marvel Studios Secret Invasion. And right now it's loading. And voila, you can always add volume. Right? And when you're gonna click the middle button, you always, what you can do, you can have channel, go to captions, you can like it, dislike it, save it, or add the settings. So you can easily change the quality of the video, and you can like change the speed here. So that's what you can do. And you can also move with the arrow right here. And that's pretty much it how we do it. right? So this is how pretty much you can use the YouTube on Samsung TV. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide some guidance and support. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.